So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. There are many things that you need to know before joining any money making site. So in this video guys, I want to share with you tips and ways of making money online. So if you're watching my video for the first time, or this is the first time you're on this channel, my name is Cynthia, and on this channel I mostly talk about how to make money online and lifestyle. So if you're new, make sure you watch this video until the end, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video. You can also watch my previous videos if you want to learn how to make money online, because I've uploaded many videos talking about different sites and different ways of making money online. And for my returning subscriber, thank you so much guys. I don't take it for granted. I really appreciate you for your support ever since up to date. Thank you so much, and make sure you keep it here and like the video, watch the video until the end for you to understand everything step by step. So guys, let's get back to the main topic of the day, or of the video. So tips or things that you need to know before joining any money making site, or before thinking of making money on any site. These are the things that you know. Number one, you need to know the requirements that site needs or require for you to join their site, or for you to start making money on their site before you create an account. Many sites, what they need or requirement is just internet. So long as you have internet, whether you're using Wi-Fi or data. Another thing they need, which is the second thing, is your phone or laptop or even computer. So long as you have any device that can access internet, it's okay. Excuse me. Yeah. Another thing that they need, which is the third thing, is email address. That is Google account. You have to have email address. You have to set your own password in any site that you're creating account, because you cannot log into your account without a password. So you have to secure your account by just creating password that you can easily remember. So those are the most things required in many sites when you want to create account with them. So I think I have not forgotten any. And again, username. Yeah, so some sites will use your email as your username. Some sites will need you to put or to set your own username. Username can be your you can add some digits on your surname or your first name or anything. You can just use anything as your username, so long as you'll be able to remember it. So that is those are the first things that you need to know before joining any site, because those are the most required things on any site when you want to join them to start making money on them. So before joining any site, there are most important things that you know, you need to know before joining any site. There are things that you really need to know before joining the site. The first thing, you have to know the name of the site, and after you've known the name of the site, try go to their website, or if it is an app, try go to that app, see how it works. Even if you watch a YouTube channel talking about the site, please do more research. That is what I normally do. If maybe I've heard of a site, or I've seen someone talk about it, or I've seen it on Google and I would like to join, the first thing I normally do is to do a research about it and see if there is any person who has made money and gets payout from the site. So those are the first things that I do. So after that, I have to make sure it is paying. It is paying, not just claiming to pay and it's not paying. I have to know and make sure that I have seen some of the withdrawal screenshots or withdrawal videos or reviews about the site. So another thing that you need to do is to learn how that site works. So before joining any site, you have to learn how that site works, so that when you join the site, you'll be able to do what is required or the work needed to be done for them to pay you. Because there is no way you're going to join them, you are doing nothing, and they're going to pay you for nothing. There is no site which is going to pay you for doing nothing. So you have to do what is supposed to be done for them to pay you the amount they claim to pay for that particular task. So another thing, you have to be consistent. Once you've gotten a good site that pays well and it pays for real, you have to be consistent. Because if you're not consistent on these online sites where you can make some extra cash, my dear, you're not going to reach a withdrawal limit whereby you're supposed to reach to get your withdrawal or to withdraw some amount. Like every site has its own withdrawal limit. Some will put it as low as $1 or as low as 50 cents, but some will maybe put it as high as $10. So it will depend with the site and the task being done on that site. So you have to be consistent. You have to be ready to do what it takes to make money on that site, because we are not just going to do or to put a less effort then expect the site or the owner of the site to pay you. That is not going to happen. And that is why many people who have been like trying to join these online jobs, or trying to do online jobs or online sites where you can do simple tasks and get paid, many people are failing. Why? Because they are not consistent, they are not ready to do what is supposed to be done, and they want it as quickly as they join the site. Like somebody is just joining a site now, like the person wants to get paid in the next 5 minutes. That can never happen. Maybe in another planet, but on Earth it's not going to happen unless you put too much work. That way they can even pay you within a day. After joining the site, they will pay you. So you have to be consistent, put much work, do what is supposed to be done on that particular site, then reach the withdrawal limit, if it is $10 or any other currency that you are the site is using to pay. I know there must be withdrawal limits. So those are the things that you need to know. Another thing that you need to know before I forget is know the withdrawal method that they provide. Like they can allow you to withdraw your earnings with. Because some sites will allow PayPal, and PayPal is not working in all countries in the world. There are some countries limited to PayPal. Like PayPal, they're not using PayPal. There are some countries whereby they use other paying methods or payment methods or withdrawal methods that are not allowed in other countries. So another thing that you need to know is the payment method they are using for withdrawals. So if it is maybe PayPal and your country is not PayPal and your country is not accepting PayPal, then you'll have to look for another site. Or if you are in another country that PayPal is not allowed, but there are other methods, you have to go for other methods. That is what I am trying to say. I think that is everything that you need to know before you start joining these money making sites or online jobs. So you have to be focused, you have to do your best, just like somebody who is working in office. You cannot just go in the office, just sit there the whole day, then wait for your salary at the end of the month. That is not going to happen. You have to put in the work for the company to pay you for what you've been doing all those days. So there is no one who is going to pay you for doing nothing. There is no site or app is gonna pay you for doing nothing on the app. So you have to do what is required for them to pay you. So I think that is all I have for this video. And maybe if I've forgotten something that you think I've forgotten, you can comment on the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you haven't. And we've come to the end of the video. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.